In this Halloween video, I'm painting Velma Dinkley from Scooby Doo. As per usual, I'm starting with a brown aerosol primer. This is from Ace hardware, but it really doesn't matter so long as it's a rust brown primer. You should be good to go. It adds a bit of warmth that black or white primers don't typically lend. Starting with the base, going over the brown primer with black, also hitting the tombstone with the black. This color is Pewter Gray by Apple Barrel. Just about all the paints I'm using in this video are Apple Barrel craft paints that I've thinned down with Flow Aid and water. You can get pretty good coverage with a craft paint through an airbrush. Now I'm coming in with a dry brush of white over the base. And the tombstone. Also, I haven't mentioned it yet, but this particular model is from East Sea Monsters. Check out the Patreon, linked below. Adding a zenithal highlight to some pumpkins, or a pumpkin. And going with the jack-o'-lantern orange. Again from Apple Barrel. Focusing mainly on the top side of the pumpkin. Now I'm coming in with some brown. Also from Apple Barrel, I believe this color is called Nutmeg. Just hitting the stem. For all the fleshy parts of the model, I'm painting the shadows with purple and the highlights with white. Skin tone's a little tricky with this stuff. This particular set of paints from Apple Barrel doesn't have a specific skin tone. The most basic, easiest way to mix a skin tone with this particular color set is 1 part white, 1 part brown. It does not look great, but it doesn't look bad either. You'd probably be better off adding a little fuchsia or something else in there. Like I said, I haven't really played around too much with this color set yet. Going over all the flesh with this. Now I'm coming in, adding a little highlight. All that is I've added a little more white to the flesh tone color that I made. Now for all the parts of flesh that fold, crease, bend, what have you, I'm using the magenta, brown, white in equal parts. If it's skin that folds or creases, I'm hitting it with this color. And for a little freckling, I am using Liquitex Transparent Burnt Umber. I turn the PSI down on the airbrush to 3 or 4. Let whatever little bit of paint come out. I might have gone a little heavy here, but I don't think it looks too bad. Now I'm painting the underwear pink, masking with Silly Putty. Painting the stockings using that jack-o'-lantern orange. Right over the primer. I'm not looking for an even coat. I'm going to let the primer act as the shadow color here. Be mindful of the figure orientation. How everything's going to look when it's put together. Where's the light source at? Coming in now, painting the shoes black. Highlighting the sweater. For the skirt, I'm doing something a little different. I'm painting the shadow areas black, creating a little bit of depth. And I'm doing the same thing with the hair. Doesn't really have to be perfect. And I'm going over the whole surface of the skirt and hair with the brown from the paint set. I guess I'll probably link this set in the description. It's pretty cheap. Okay, now on the lips, I'm using a mixture of red and white. And the brush I'm using is a disposable eyeliner brush. Painting the iris with the brown. Camera won't focus. I'm using the same color on the eyebrows. Eyelashes are black. And painting the glasses frames black. I'm just going to be gluing everything together with medium viscosity super glue. And as you can tell, I've flocked the base and the tombstone. It's not something I show in this video. I'm just using a little glue here. I may end up magnetizing this, and I wanted to be able to get these pieces back apart. Assembly on this is pretty easy. EC Monster did a great job with the keying on these parts. Glasses are a little finicky, but they're not too bad to get in place. And that's about it for this particular model. Like I said, the flocking and some of these parts I didn't film in this video. That's because they are in another video that is also being released today. I figure it's been a month and a half since I've made a video, might as well make two. And as you can see, they both key into this particular base very well. If you've stuck around to this point, I kind of hope you've gotten a little something out of it. If you'd like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow, and it lets me know that I'm not just wasting my time here. I've got 11 videos up on my channel, excluding this and the Daphne video. YouTube, at one point or another, has demonetized 9 of those videos, and 2 of those videos still are demonetized. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.